Hi everybody, it is me, Savannah. Before I start this video, I just want to say this is day 1 of 2. These 2 days are gonna be crazy. This first day was considered a derecho, so enjoy the video though, y'all. I just wanted to say an intro because it starts in the middle and the whole thing just takes so long. I had so many parts, so let's just get right into it. See y'all. We're back. Hi guys, so I just wanted to say that this whole thing is just a bunch of wind and rain. I just wanted to let you know it's not, it was considered a derecho. Maybe it wasn't as strong here for us, but it was considered a derecho. But yeah, it's just a bunch of wind and rain, so feel free to skip ahead if you want. Holy moly, guys. Oh my god. It feels nice for my toes though.
I know. I might have to close the door because it's starting to really fun.
It's fine.
I don't want your laptop being soaked.
It's not.
Our laptop. Is that Mom on the phone?
Yeah.
Is she on the phone? It's going to take her a while. Did she say how long?
I don't know. Justin, I thought I heard some sirens activate.
Oh. No siren.
Maybe it's just me.
Fire department getting called out.
It's just heavy rain and wind. Very little lightning.
No, very little. What are you talking about?
Not a lot. It's not a lot. Right?
There is a lot.
No, there's some. Not as much as it could be.
Okay, we'll go back inside then.
We don't get something good today, Savannah. We're gonna get something wrong. Oh,
It's fun.
You can see that color.
At least you got eggs.
It's good enough. Holy moly guacamole. Oh my goodness.
Savannah,
What?
my mom's power got out.
What?
Her mom's power got out.
His mom's power's out?
Power is out.
I'm going to close the door probably.
No.
If the power goes out, I want to go and close the garage door.
If the power's going out,
How is the power gonna go out here?
It goes out easily with the wind. With the wind. What time will your mom be home?
4.
oh God.
This is insane.
We have a tornado warning for I believe Will County, but Will County will NWS's. So if they extend it over there, they're gonna have to ask NWS to walk or NWS when it happens. Issue the alerts.
That's what the is there. So it's a basketball court.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Whale County just got expired, so they're probably gonna go back to the
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, dude. Oh, here, there's the straight line one.
But Whale County just got expired. They removed the tornado list on our there.
Okay. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, golly. Oh, y'all. Oh, this is insane. Justin, I am shocked that they have not set the sirens off yet. Are you shocked? Justin? Justin? Oh! Oh! Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh. Okay. Are you shocked that the sirens have not gone off yet?
It's 70 miles per hour, Savannah.
Right now?
Yeah, I've got 70 miles per hour wind up. That's why they're not setting them off.
Well, it's 70.
It's 70 miles per hour.
Yeah, and it's 70.
Wait, what? Coming. Plan on the bottom. Reported it.
Recorded what?
The storm.
Oh.
Tornado possible attack on that water. Go back.
This storm is very active. Oh. Oh boy. That was close.
I'm surprised WVA didn't have a lot. I should have. find it in the law.
Oh boy. I think, was that your weather radio?
No.
Oh.
Weather radio is nothing going on.
Romeoville.
Unbelievable this is happening.
I know.
Okay, we're staring at Severe Thunderstorm 1. Before it came, it got gone. There's a life that is crazy and it's rolling close to the that is wrong.
I think it's passing through now.
Yeah, it is.
It's done. Holy moly, guys.
On my channel, light on a little bit.
Oh my goodness. Well, it's calmed down now, guys. Alright guys, I think we're gonna go. But this is, remember, this isn't over yet. We still have day 2. It's tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope there's sirens tomorrow. So yeah. I'm listening to Justin's conversation. I'm collecting water. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys next time. Bye. Hi again, here to say the outro. Tomorrow is more the biggest day. So, it was really crazy to see all the wind and rain coming in. It was, like, really crazy. And the clouds are moving fast. It was a crazy thunderstorm. Like, thunderstorms are, like, here, they're not as bad. They normally kind of miss us, but that was preparation. We saved the best for last. What's gonna happen in the next video? Who knows? Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys tomorrow, technically, except I'm gonna post this on the same day. You'll see it. You'll see it. Bye.